Hi, my name is Jacob Backstrom, and this is my statement of objectives for admissions into MIT's Masters in Supply Chain Management blended program. Apart from my academic success and work experience, my eagerness to learn, develop others, and solve complex problems makes me an ideal candidate for the MIT Masters in Supply Chain Management. Over the last year and a half, I've been able to balance both my coursework and my professional career, excelling in both. This displays that I'll be successful with the rigorous on-campus semester at MIT and the research project. Over the last 4 years, I've had various functional roles within the supply chain in materials management, inventory planning, sourcing, and shop operations. Each of these roles, I focus on increasing productivity and value for the business. I'll be able to take these work experiences into the classroom to better my knowledge and contribute to the discussion and learning with others. For my undergraduate degree, I studied mechanical engineering. It wasn't until my first internship with General Electric that sparked my interest in supply chain. I was placed in a role on the manufacturing shop floor where I fell in love and decided I would pursue a career as a supply chain leader. When I first learned about the possibility to take MITx classes through my employer, I jumped at the opportunity. Some of the courses enforced concepts that I had learned while working, but many were completely new. By completing my degree at MIT, it will provide me with opportunities to strengthen my technical supply chain skills that I was not exposed to during my undergraduate studies. I believe that a formal education, combined with the discussions and interactions of my peers during an on-campus semester, will be crucial in taking my career to the next level. I'm very fortunate to work for an employer who is willing to sponsor my education. After I complete my degree, I will return to Baker Hughes with aspirations of obtaining a senior level position within our supply chain. Down the road, as my career advances, I would like to join our executive leadership team and run one of our product lines in the future. The achievement that I'm the most proud of came during my third rotation in the Operations Management Leadership Program. I was working in Houston, Texas as a manufacturing cell leader with over 20 machinists. Our cell was responsible for a very special project with one of our largest customers. We're using a very expensive Inconel material, and we could have no scrap or out of tolerance parts. Not only did we complete the project on time, hit our cost of quality, productivity numbers, and had no safety incidents, the reason I'm so proud of this accomplishment is because it was the first time that the team came together and was measured as a group, and we achieved the goal instead of as individuals. After completing the Operations Management Leadership Program for General Electric, I was offered a position on our Global Materials Process team. This is a competitive 100% travel international position that executes short-term, high-impact projects. I've been on this team for over a year living out of a suitcase. I sold my car, dropped my apartment lease, and most of my possessions. Over the last year, I've grown tremendously as an individual. Being on the road has forced me to adapt, to learn new cultures, and to really enjoy the smaller things in life and be less materialistic. 6 months ago, I moved to Germany, where I didn't speak the language or know anyone. Now, 6 months later, I'm still here. It feels like home, and I never want to leave. It's these experiences that I'll be able to bring to MIT, and I also would like to learn from others. Working 4 years in one of the world's largest supply chain allows me to contribute the lessons learned, as well as share some of the biggest challenges that still exist in industry today with my peers. Outside of the classroom, I plan to continue my volunteer work with the Boys and Girls Club or a similar initiative in the Cambridge area. I consider myself a constant learner, but enjoy teaching and mentoring others even more. In high school, I started tutoring and continued throughout college. When I live in Houston, I volunteer and mentor the youth. At work, I lead global trainings and help recruit and develop our interns. If admitted into the program, I would share the knowledge gained with those around me. A master's degree would not only benefit my current professional career, it may serve as the foundation for a future career in education. I'd like to end this by saying thanks and goodbye to the admissions committee, or as we say in Germany, Dankeschön, tschüss.